everybody, it's Kelly, and I am back with another layout. And I must have been very golf inspired because this is my third golf layout that you're seeing in a row, but this one is a little different. It's actually from last fall, and you've already seen a layout where we took my two oldest grandsons to a Harry Potter kind of exhibit thing at somebody's house. This happened actually before that. So we took them out, we did the mini golf thing, and then we went, had some dinner, and then when it got dark, we went to the Harry Potter thing. So these are my two oldest grandsons, and they were really into mini golfing last year, which now that I think about it, we need to do this again. And this was one of the last weekends that you could really mini golf in Wisconsin last year. This is the 29th of October, and that is not always such a fun thing to do. So it got a little cold towards the end, but it was okay. So my background paper there is that really cool wood paper because it's fall, and there was a lot of leaves, and that's kind of a huge part of my memory of this, and we were scraping them off the putting surfaces sometimes. But that wood paper is from Echo Park Happy Fall, the fall picnic plaid. And that is why I am using the leaf paper there, because it's fall. I'm thinking a lot about leaves. That is Echo Park Happy Fall, the 4x6 journaling card paper, but obviously this is the other side of it. And then I wanted a transition, so I went and found an old Bella Boulevard, and they don't sell washi tape to my knowledge. This is, oh gosh, probably 7-8 years old, probably even older than that, but it was a great match to the orange in here. And I love this wide washi, and I'm using it up, but it will break my heart someday when I don't have any more of it, because this size is just not easy to find. So maybe I need to comment on that about bring back your washi or something like that. Although since the product is made by Doodlebug now, I don't know that would happen because they tend to use the thinner tapes. But even that, I just like these basic dots, simple, and I know you can get them from Michael's and that kind of stuff, but I just really like this wide one. Anyway, in the meantime, I have been just going through and adding my photos, and I'm a straight scrapper. I could have kind of probably scattered these a little or tilted them a little bit, because there is a lot of space in a lot of these photos, but I didn't. I'm going to still do them in a straight line. I'm definitely a straight line scrapbooker. That's one of the things, if you're asked to talk about your scrapbook style and anything, that's definitely mine without question. And I'm okay with that. Embrace what you love. That's why you don't see a lot of paint on my layouts. I tend to be a lazy scrapbooker. I like pre-made stuff. And then the other thing I like is straight lines. And a whole lot of journaling cards and washi tape. All right, so I was originally thinking I might use that because it has leaves on it, but the leaf scale on that card and the background paper was almost exactly the same. And so that right there wasn't right. And I didn't like just the way the block of that journaling card broke up. So I am now in search of something else, and I'm grabbing an ephemera pack here from Echo Park, and I believe this is the Happy Fall. Yeah, it's the Happy Fall ephemera there, and so that's where that frame die cut is coming from. And I do have more, so I can use. I'm there. That is a punch out frame, by the way, so I'm not looking to keep the center piece of it. At least not on this particular layout. I did look at maybe doing this smaller one, but it really felt like if I did that it was way too small. So I did go back and grab this one again. It does have a little bit of it has a hole in it that I ignored in this particular case, but you could put an enamel dot or a brad if you still have those. Lots of different things in those holes. Could do twine if you wanted to, lots of different things. In this particular case, I just ignored it. I didn't want to take away from that design element, the embellishment cluster that I'm going to create at the bottom of the frame in just a second. And when I put it down, I wanted the whole to be off the page here, so that I only did look at one, because I wasn't planning on using them as part of the design of the layout. And there's the beautiful fall plaid. That is one of the things I looked at, is I don't have a lot of, like I need a little bit, not a huge restock, but a little bit of a restock on my fall patterns. I've got a lot of pieces of things that don't really go together, or maybe I should challenge myself and make me use them, which is what I kind of did with this. Is I took one piece of paper, the pattern paper, the leaf paper, and kind of made it work. And that obviously the wood paper was also from that same collection with the plaid, but it just, there's a lot of stuff that doesn't work well together. All right, so I am adding in this sticker here that says putting, and then I added a golf ball sticker. So the word stickers are coming from the Photoplay MVP Golf Element stickers. I'm also going to add this one in here that says greens. And then I have those little golf ball stickers, which are flat here. And those are from the MVP Golf as well. So those are flat stickers that I'm going to leave flat. Sorry, I'm off camera there a little bit, but I was playing around to get, I needed to pull it down so I could get it stuck the way, like the divots on the golf ball stuck the way I wanted them to do, the pattern. I know. I try to get away from the perfectionist tendencies. So I am here playing with that, putting that golf ball sticker there, but it doesn't look right immediately. And I kind of knew it didn't, but I tried it anyway, because sometimes things work. So that one is actually a 3D one, and that one came from the Recollections Golf Sticker Pack as well. And I also added a little star piece, leaf, and a leaf sticker from Bella Boulevard. The foam alpha there is from American Crafts Me and My Big Ideas as well. I forgot to add that on too. So, all right, guys. Hope you guys are all doing well. I will be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.